OneWrestling.com. This is Bill Apter. I'm at the WWWA banquet, and the president of the company, Mr. Dino Santa. Thank you for inviting me here tonight.
My pleasure, Bill.
And tonight, this affair is to honor the living legend, Mr. Bruno Sammartino. And on behalf of WWA, if you don't mind, I'd love to welcome you here, Bruno.
Well, thank you, Bill. I'm very flattered to be here. My good friend Dino Santa, when he contacted me that they wanted to honor me tonight, naturally I was very grateful, very happy, and of course we go back a long ways, Dino and I. Well, the reason why I like Dino with what he does is because his wrestling. You can take your kids, you can take your mother, and you don't have to be embarrassed as to what they might see. And so I did quite a few shows with Dino, and I hope that he keeps it up and he keeps putting on that kind of a product that fans can come and hopefully enjoy the matches and without worrying about what ugliness might come out during.
Dino, tonight you're inducting Bruno Sammartino as the first inductee in the WWWA Hall of Fame. Tell us about that.
Well, it was so easy for me to make a decision for who was going to be the first person to get the honor of being into the Hall of Fame in the Worldwide Wrestling Alliance. Bruno helped me out from the beginning. We go back many, many years, and we've done a lot of shows together, like I say, and he's the only person, and I must say that, he is the only person that I truly admire into the professional wrestling because he's done so much, Bill, and I don't have to tell you,
No, not at all, not at all.
Years and years and years, and I can never forget years ago when I used to go myself to watch it. I can never forget them people screaming, Bruno, Bruno. And I tell you why, it's such an honor for me to be here tonight and have a Bruno next to us and being with our company and being into the Hall of Fame. It is an honor for me to have him. And I mean it sincerely. So it's my pleasure.
What's the greatest Bruno match you ever saw?
I think every single match Bruno worked on.
Well, if you had one, if you were forced to pick one opponent, what was the match? Was it Koloff? Was it Volkov? Was it Superstar Billy Graham?
I think one of the most powerful matches that I see Bruno work on was with Superstar Billy Graham. Yeah. And the difference is, it's so easy, though. Bruno Sammartino, the true living legend and the real pro wrestler, absolutely. And then you have a bodybuilder on the other side. And that's all I need to say.
All right. We are honored. Thank you, Dino Santa. And, of course, Bruno, we'll look forward to you later this evening to go up there and receive your award for the WWWA Hall of Fame inductee, the very first one.
Very honored, Bill, and it's good to see you. I'm glad you're here for the occasion.
For OneWrestling.com, Bill Apter will see you at the matches.
Hi, fans. I'm Chris Cruz here at OneWrestling.com, and I'm here for the induction of Bruno Sammartino, the living legend, into the Worldwide Wrestling Alliance Hall of Fame. He's the first inductee. And Bill Apter one time asked me, what's the greatest match I ever saw Bruno in? And the interesting thing is, it's not the match that I saw him in, but the match that I watch a couple of times a week now. It's that great match with Killer Kowalski in Madison Square Garden. It's one of the most viewed matches of Bruno Sammartino on YouTube. And Bruno is struggling. He's struggling. Then all of a sudden he explodes, and Madison Square Garden explodes as well. So I watch that all the time, and it brings back great memories of the good times in professional wrestling. So I will see you next time at the matches.